What is up, you guys? My name is Josh, also known as Hairytornado, and my wife and I are full-time YouTubers and resellers. This means we film ourselves going to flea markets, garage sales, thrift stores, wherever we can buy things super cheap and then flip them online for a profit. If this sounds like interesting content to you, definitely go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and jump in to today's video.
Good morning.
How's it going? These are all the reproductions, right?
Okay. Yeah. Not really. They wouldn't be out here.
Yeah, I don't blame you. Still pretty cool looking though.
We've had very good luck at this flea market over the last couple months, but today was especially slow for some reason. There's about 4 different rows of vendors at this particular market, and up to this point in the video, we had already been through 3 of the 4 rows and we had found nothing. I was beginning to get worried about the quality of today's video, but this last row we went down was definitely the lifesaver of today's sourcing.
We're looking at those Danner boots at the bottom, the 2 black boots.
What about it?
How much are they?
$30.
$30 each?
$30 each or 2 for $50.
Yeah, I'll do 2 for $50. There you go. Thank you.
You gonna put them in that range?
Yeah, we'll carry them ourselves. I appreciate it.
Both of those boots we just picked up were Danner branded, D-A-N-N-E-R. Danner is a fantastic brand of boot to be on the lookout for. These were both Danner Acadia 8-inch model 21210s, both of them in a men's size 12 regular width. If you look up sold comps for that particular model on eBay, they're kind of all over the place. Some have sold in pre-owned condition for as high as $170 plus shipping, but it really depends on the size and width. Generally, the wider ones, the ones that have an E after the size, those are going to sell for a little bit more money than the regular standard width sizes like the ones we picked up today. So we paid $50 for both pairs. I think that was a fantastic deal. I fully expect to get close to $100 for each one of these pairs of Danner boots.
Everything's 2 for $1. Take a look. 2 for $1, 2 for $1. 82 item for $1. 2 for $1. Take a look.
He's good.
2 for $1, 2 for $1.
How much is it? I'm just kidding. I had to do it, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Can you use the whole box?
That's what I'm thinking about.
I mean, what do you got here? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 30, you got 33, you got 36 pieces. If you want, you can have the whole box, $15. That's less than 50 cents.
Yeah, I'll do that.
2 for $1, 2 for $1.
With this big box of camera stuff we just picked up, I kind of took a risk on it, not financially, because $15 isn't that big of a risk, but I don't really know a ton about this stuff, and most of the boxes have been opened, but when I opened the 5 or 6 that I've opened already, they appear to still be brand new in the plastic inside. Just the boxes themselves are open. When I search sold comps on eBay for, like this one, this is the Kodak FK4720 close-up macro lens kit. There's sold comps as high as like $30 free shipping for new ones. I don't think I'll be able to sell these in new condition because they are opened. Sorry, that's my dog Mo's barking in the background. I don't know if you can hear him. But based on these sold comps, I'm only gonna have to sell 1 or maybe 2 of these after fees and shipping to recoup our total $15 investment, and then the other 32 or 33 units are going to be complete profit, which is awesome. I'm always on the lookout for big bundle deals like this. I don't know a ton about this stuff. I don't know if it'll sell very quickly. Maybe I can bundle some stuff up because it's all Kodak brand as far as I can tell. But this is like a macro lens kit. This other one is a 3-piece filter kit. Maybe I could make sure they go together to the same camera, bundle them up and increase our average selling price on this lot. Also got this Vivitar zoom swivel bounce LED thing. I don't know what that is, but again, for $15 for the whole box, you can't really go wrong. Sell 1 or 2 items, get all your money back. Everything else is pure profit.
Is this your table?
Yeah, sure.
How much are these?
I do 15.
15?
Yeah.
They have insoles?
No, that's really good price. I usually sell 25.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll do 15 on those. Oh, we got some. What about these?
I do same thing. I sell for 30, but I let you for 15.
So 30 for both?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do 30 for both.
Oh,
of
I
those.
give you wrong one. That's Kohan.
Oh, yeah. And we've got our own bags, so I don't need that
Oh,
one.
you did?
Yeah.
See, people I give a good deal. They know what they're worth. That they know.
Yeah, I thought it would be
I
busier
know.
today.
I go internet. I can check it out exactly how much worth it. You know what?
Yeah.
I sell really cheap.
Yeah, that's a
People
good deal.
get and take advantage of me.
I want people to make as much money as possible, but you have to think about the market. Like if you want top dollar, like if you got a $50 item that you want $50 for, you got to go online to sell it. You know, you can't bring it out here and ask 50 for it.
Yeah. Well, you see, they're worth that. Echo, their shoes is really
Yeah,
worth
Echo's
that.
good. On Cloud's good.
Yeah. Best is a 1940, 1956
What is it? Is that like a
spotlight.
for like a cop car or
real
something?
nice. I turn on. I tried that.
Yeah. So this time, let's see. A lot of light.
They work. Let's go try plug in. I promise they work.
I believe you.
No, I'd rather you trust me because I'm gonna see you again. I mean, not
Yeah,
like
I know you're out here all the time. That's fine.
Yeah, I
What
don't
are you asking for it?
I sell for 30. How about 15?
That's pretty cool. I'll do 15 on it.
Okay. I'm not making any money. I want you to know that because
Not making any money.
That $15. That's what I pay for.
I'll give you 20 then. How about that?
Oh, you're the best.
That's right.
Hey, he's a keeper.
Yes.
Keeper here.
Just gotta remember our faces. So if you got good stuff in the future.
They know that she know I was there. She smiled, kind. Hey, I let you have for 5.
Are they all G.I. Joe?
Yeah, you can have for 5.
Yeah, I'll do 5 on it.
Oh, no, I mean worth it, that stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is really good. Oh, you don't see that Lego, didn't you? I got a lot of good stuff here. I'll give you this.
Give me
You
that.
can have it.
Okay.
No, this whole pool mouse. Mouse
Oh.
yellow. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
There's all kinds of stuff.
Huh.
And what else I have? I'm gonna give you. Here. Here, you can have it.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Awesome. All right, well, we appreciate the deal. Thank you so much.
So let's go over everything we just picked up from that nice lady. First, we got this pair of men's On Cloud running shoes. On Cloud has this little brand. I guess it's like an O and an N. Most of you probably know about this brand, but if you don't, this is a great brand of running shoes. They make men's and women's. This size is it's a men's size 11. Great condition. I mean, you can see the bottoms of them. They don't look like they were ever really running. Maybe tried on, worn around the house or something like that. Paid 15 bucks for these. I think in this condition, this size, this colorway, we should be able to get about $70 to $80 plus shipping for these. This other shoe is an Echo Biome men's walking shoe. I've had better luck selling the Echo Biome golf shoes rather than the regular walking shoes like this, but this one will still sell. We paid 15 bucks for it. It's in excellent use condition, just like those On Clouds. I mean, minimal signs of wear. It's a size 43 in Echo, which is, they only put the EU sizes on their shoes for some reason. So I think that it's about a men's size 10 or something. So pretty good size. I'll look that up to make sure I'm right. But I think we should be able to get between $40 and $50 for this shoe plus shipping. So again, not quite as good as the golf shoes in my experience, but definitely something to be on the lookout for. We also got this bag of G.I. Joe figures from that lady for 5 bucks. Can't go wrong with a bag of mystery G.I. Joe figures. I don't know a ton about these, but they look pretty solid. They look to be in pretty good condition. I don't know the ages or anything like that. Recently, I found a lot of G.I. Joe figures at the Goodwill bins. We got, I think it was 10 or 11 figurines that we got at the bins for like $1 for all of them. We auctioned a lot off because I didn't know what each one was worth, and it ended up selling for like $43 plus shipping. So I'm going to do the exact same thing with this bag of G.I. Joes. I'm going to lay them all flat so the buyers can see what they have, take a couple pictures of any dates or brands or anything I can see printed on the figures themselves, and auction them off. I fully expect, you know, in the condition that they're in and the number that we have, there's a couple weapons and everything like that. This could possibly be $40 to $50 plus shipping right here. And finally, we have this vintage GE Spotlight. I don't know if it's something that would go on a car or what. It has like a little mounting bracket right here. She said it works, so let's see. I do trust her. She's been a lady I've seen at the flea market for months now, so I don't think she would steer us wrong. Got it plugged in. Oh, look at how bright that is. Holy crap, man. Wow, that's hot. That's like instantly hot. You could cook an egg on that thing, man. That is crazy bright. That's definitely something that would go on, like mounted on an old cop car or something. I don't know what they're worth, but I think I paid her 20 bucks for this. I think it's definitely worth 20 bucks. So on the back here, this says Errol Incorporated, number 100 Lot O Light. I tried searching that on eBay. I only found one listed for like 29 bucks plus shipping. So maybe it's not worth as much as I thought it was, but it's still a very cool item. Something like this may be appropriate to auction. I usually only auction things where the supply is greater than the demand, but for something like this where there's not a lot available and you know it's really worth what somebody's willing to pay for it, it may be a good auction item, so we'll see.
Oh, it's a cool like Winnie the Pooh honey thing. That's a Pooh honey pot. What you asking for this, Junior?
Make it 10.
10?
Yeah. That's another 10.
Oh wow. Yeah. I'll do 20 on the two Pooh things, as long as I can get it back to the car in one piece. Appreciate you, Junior.
Next up, we have these really cool Winnie the Pooh items. We got the honey pot with the little lid and stir stick and the Winnie the Pooh candy dish. Both of these items are from Lenox, Lenox, the fine ivory china made in USA. Disney, this is called the Birthday Brigade. And this honey pot is called Classic Pooh Honey Pot. I looked up sold comps on the honey pot. I paid $10 each. You guys saw in the video, so $20 total. Sold comps on the honey pot are only like 20 to 25 bucks plus shipping, so not a lot of money to be made there. Haven't looked up comps on the candy dish, but I imagine it's probably about the same. So I think I'm probably going to lot these two together in a lot of Lenox Winnie the Pooh dish collection or something. And if I can turn my $20 investment into $40 after fees and shipping, I'll be fine with that. I probably should have looked up sold comps before I paid $20 for them, but I just thought they were pretty cool, and I just took a chance on them.
How much you asking for this?
40 bucks.
It's not bad.
No, it's great. It's $150
Yeah.
table for sure. It's high quality.
Yeah.
Just have to come back.
We'll come back. I'll pay you and come back for it. Is that all right?
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Put all of our stuff away and we'll be back.
You got it. Good deal for you and me.
Yeah, it's perfect. Our kitchen's kind of a weird shape, so we've been looking for something small and skinny like that. So that's awesome.
So here's that little table we got at the flea market for 40 bucks. I mean, it was literally new with tags. It's from Savave. I've never heard of that brand before. The guy said it was a $150 table, and this looks like, I don't know, maybe something you'd find at Home Goods for like 100 to 150 bucks. So he probably wasn't too far off on that. It's something that we've wanted for a long time because our kitchen is we've had this wall. This wall used to be open to the office, like where I was just filming is on the other side of that wall. Then when we closed it in, we just had this huge blank wall. We didn't know what to do. So we finally found this little table. Haley got it decorated yesterday with some stuff around the house. We're going to put that picture up over there later on today, maybe after I finish this video. So pretty cool find. At flea market, you can find stuff for profit, and you can find stuff for personal use. After the flea market, we tried to go to the Goodwill bins. It was Wednesday morning, which means it was half price day at this location, and that generally means that there's going to be a lot of people there. You guys saw as we were walking in the door, people were running past us to try to get in before us, and it was just a little crazy that day, to be honest with you. A lot of people there. I haven't seen that big of a crowd there in quite a while. We shopped around for 15 or 20 minutes, didn't really find anything, so we left empty-handed and went next door to the regular retail side of that Goodwill location, not half price day. We shopped around there for another 5 or 10 minutes, and we found 2 pairs of shoes, one pair of Brooks Cascade running shoes for $6.50, and one pair of Nike Lunar Lawn golf shoes for $6.50. Both of these pairs of shoes should sell for about $30 or so plus shipping, so we didn't leave that Goodwill location totally empty-handed, but the bins was slightly disappointing that day. So we're in the Salvation Army right now, and I didn't bring my GoPro because I didn't think we were going to find anything, but lo and behold, got this nice The North Face suitcase. It's a little, I mean, obviously used condition, a couple little like scuffs right there, but all the zippers work, the wheels work, the handle up here works, a little going down like that, and it's only $8.99. Crazy find there. And this little Xbox wireless wheel
$3.99. Should sell for about 20 bucks or so. I don't know how much the suitcase is worth, but it's worth $8.99, that's for sure.
All in all, it was a fantastic day of sourcing for us. The flea market started out a little slow with those first 3 rows, but then that last row really came in clutch. We were able to grab some really nice items there. The Goodwill bins was kind of a swing and a miss, to be honest, but then we had some redemption with the retail side of that store with the 2 pairs of shoes, and then the Salvation Army with that Xbox wireless controller and that super nice North Face suitcase that I don't know if I'm going to keep or sell, but $8.99 for that was a crazy find for sure. This was a pretty good visual representation of a normal sourcing day for us. Maybe a little bit better than normal. I don't know. It's hard to say because we source so much. But if you guys enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed seeing what it's like for us to show you our lives as full-time resellers and YouTubers, let us know by hitting that like button for us down below. It takes 2 seconds. It's totally free and really helps us out a ton. If you guys want more content like this to see what else we find in the future and see us actually go through the process of selling some of the stuff that we picked up in today's video, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.